Welcome to Matt's Metalworking. In this video I'll be testing if you can actually polish aluminum using toothpaste. As you can see, I'm starting out with a raw piece of aluminum which doesn't have a refined finish from machining. For toothpaste I am using one which has whitening capabilities, therefore it does have some grittiness to it. I have already done this, but always make sure you pre-wash the piece to remove any contaminants which may jeopardize the polishing process. Now to try something a little different, I'll start off with the raw aluminum on one side and then use an abrasive pad on the opposite side to see how much of a difference it does make. These abrasive pads are available in various grit ratings. This was rated at 600, and I'm also using water as a lubrication. Moving right along to the polishing process, remove the tape and then working across the whole surface. As you can see, I do have a small amount of toothpaste and will be using a piece of paper towel for polishing. Typically when polishing a metal or an alloy, both the material being removed and the polish can be somewhat hard to clean afterwards. The paper towel is easy enough to dispose of instead. Work the polish into the surface. I am also using water for lubrication, which prevents the toothpaste from drying, does help it dissolve, and also aids in the polishing process. Overall, this took me a couple minutes at the very most, and as you can see, the toothpaste is turning black, therefore we know it's removing material. Once done, this is what I'm left with. Even with the area where I have used the abrasive pad on, it appears to have taken over by the grit in the toothpaste. Therefore that abrasive pad wasn't needed, and the toothpaste does possibly have a coarser grit when starting out than compared to the 600 grit abrasive pad. Any marks in the surface has not been removed, but possibly lessened when using the toothpaste. If you want to remove any surface imperfections completely, then wet sanding would be needed. We have a clean brushed finish, but certainly not nowhere near to a mirror finish. Toothpaste may also be great for an engine turning finish as well. Do you have any polishing tips you'd like to share, or polishing ideas you'd like me to test out? Let me know in the comments below. This concludes the rest of my video. Be sure to hit that thumbs up button, it's a huge help to me. If you're not a subscriber, be sure to also hit that subscribe button, and thank you for watching.